Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to know if someone follows you on Snapchat or not. For example, if you want to know anyone on Snapchat still follow you on Snapchat or not, or if you have a public profile and if you want to know about that any person follow you or not. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And after that, you have to go to general, and in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply check whether you have installed the latest version of the Snapchat or not. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Snapchat app. And after updating the Snapchat app, you have to simply open the Snapchat app. And as you open the Snapchat app, you have to simply click on that Snapchat button. And after that, you have to simply click on that profile section. And here you have to click on settings. So in settings, if you want to know about your followers, then what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have a public profile, because other than public profile, you can simply see your uh, friends on Snapchat, and you cannot get who you follow. So if you want to get how many followers you have on Snapchat, then you can simply click on public profile, and you have to simply share your public profile, and you have to turn on your public profile. And after that, you can simply check for your followers. And if you want to know about that, if anyone follows you on a public profile or not, then you have to make sure about that you have uploaded story recently. And after that, if you see that person likes or views your story, then it might be chances that the person is following you. But if you do not convert your profile into public profile, then there is no option available that you can simply see that anyone follows you on Snapchat. But there is also another method that you can simply upload a private story including that person. And if that person views your story, then it means that the person follows you on Snapchat. So in this way, you can simply get to know about that who follows you on Snapchat. So hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.